This is Spanish 3, Contemporary Life, Vocab 86 through 90. I'm going to say the following words in English, then Spanish, and then clap. And after I clap, I'd like you to repeat both the English and the Spanish with me. Here we go. 86. Pity, shame, or grief. Pena. Pity, shame, or grief. Pena. 87. To be worth it. Valer la pena. To be worth it. Valer la pena. 88. It is not worth it. No vale la pena. It is not worth it. No vale la pena. 89. The bowling. El boliche. The bowling. El boliche. And finally, leisure. Ocio. Leisure. Ocio. How are we going to remember that pena is pity or shame? Well, let's say it's Monday morning and you don't want to go to school, so you call your mom and you say, Mom, I've got a pena in my stomach. Get a pena in my stomach. And your mom says, oh, that's a pity. That's a shame. Now get up and get ready for school. Which is what most mothers would say. So pena is pity or shame. Now, valer la pena is to be worth it. Literally, it is worth the grief. Like, let's say you hurt your foot, but you're looking forward to going out with your best friends and going to a movie. And so even though your foot hurt, you say, well, I guess it's worth it. Valer la pena. It's worth the grief. It's worth the suffering. Now, to be worth it is valer la pena. It's not worth it is no vale la pena. Literally, not it is worth the grief. Let me make a note on the word no. In English, we have the word no, we have the word not, and we have the word don't. Everybody say no, not, don't. No, not, don't. In Spanish, they have one word. What's the word for no in Spanish? No. What's the word for not? No. And what's the word for don't? No. So be careful translating the word no, because it's got several different translations. Now, bowling is boliche. I have to say, I think bowling is the most honest sport in the world because you can't cheat. Everybody say cheat. Cheat, C-C-H-E. In tennis, if you're losing, you can say, oh, that was out when it was actually in. In golf, you can say, oh, no, that didn't take me 4 strokes to get in the hole. It only took me 3. But in bowling, there's a machine keeping score so nobody can cheat. And remember, green letters mean the letters are exactly the same in both languages. So B-O-L-I, B-O-L-I. So el boliche is the bowling. Now be careful. It doesn't end in O or A, so you have to memorize that it's masculine. It's el boliche, which makes sense because the ball weighs like 8 or 9 pounds, so it is kind of a manly sport. Now, leisure is ocio. Okay, you see your friend, and every time you see him, he's laying in a beanbag chair or lounging around, relaxing. You say, oh, I see you enjoy leisure. Get it? Oh, I see you enjoy leisure. So ocio, leisure. Let's do a post quiz. I will cover up the Spanish. Please take a few moments, look at the English and say the Spanish equivalents out loud, or even better, look at the English and write the Spanish equivalents down on a sheet of paper. This has been Spanish 3, Contemporary Life, Vocab 86 through 90.